In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a trippy displacement shake effect in After Effects. So I'm going to head over here, go to New, open up an adjustment layer. Then for the first effect I'm going to add is S_shake. Drag it in right there. Then I'm going to head over here, put it at 5 at the start. I'm going to head over to the beginning of my clip. Click on our amplitude, open up our timeline. Head towards the middle about, I guess, right here would be good. Yeah, right there. Put at 0.18. Click on motion blur. Then we're just gonna exit that out. The next effect I'm gonna add is radial blur. I'm gonna put on zoom, then high. Then I'm gonna head towards around the beginning. I'm gonna put it at 25. Click on our amount, we'll make keyframes and open up our timeline. Put 0 on our amount. Bring it to the end. Bring it to the end. Close that out right there. And I'm gonna add Displacer Pro. Head towards the end of my clip. Not the end, my start of my clip. Then I'm gonna open up right here at Translate Y. I'm gonna put at 25 at the start. Click on a time watch to open up a timeline. Not a timeline, a keyframe. Then open up our timeline. I'm gonna put it at 0. I'm gonna push it towards the end. And actually, to get rid of this black border effect, I'm gonna go to edge behavior and then put on edge repeat. So apart from that, for Displacer Pro, the next effect I'm gonna add is S_ultra glow. I'm gonna head towards and then I'm gonna head towards the start. Go to our threshold, put at 0.5. Go to head over here, click on our time watch, open up our keyframes, go over here and then put 1.09. Go to the end, and yeah, before I close this off, I'm gonna head over here to all of our keyframes, and then I'm gonna head right here and press F9 on my keyboard. It's gonna make sure our effects ease through, which hence the name Easy Ease. So yeah, that is all the effects you'll need right here in order to create a very unique trippy displacement effect in After Effects. I would appreciate if you guys were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. And yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and peace out.